Right now we in Minnewaska Park. We upstate New York, about an hour and 45 minutes, 2 hours max from the city. We're in the mountains. This is my wife. Say hello. Everybody say hello. Hello, 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 hello. Part of the team. We going hiking today. Hiking, we're about to get down. Stay tuned for the vibes and the rhythm. This is gonna be an interesting one. The whole family here. It's so peaceful up here, man. Got something that look like a little river. There's a nice little river right here. River stream. Yeah. There's a little sis right here. Hiking time with our birthday boy. Yo. Journey style.
See all that turkey, smoked turkey,
Yo.
dumpling.
We're gonna go to work today. This is the beginning of the hill.
All that that sauce, roast sauce.
Yo. Exercising time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's it. So my mom definitely didn't lie. This is the second part of the hill. Going up. This hill no joke. This hill no joke. This hill is very intense. I'm not even gonna lie. This hill is very intense. You have to cross this, the island style. Zigzag crossing. That's how we gonna do it. Zigzag crossing. Up that hill. We're gonna beat that hill, yep. They warned us. And they said this hill was very long and steep. But it's all part of the journey, all part of the fun. We're gonna work out all that soup we ate last night. Work out all that soup we ate last night. We just finished the second phase of the hill.
Oh, yeah, not bad.
There's a third phase. Yeah. Shots cut time for the hill, huh? Tell me something, baby. What's your reaction to the hill so far? What's your reaction? Talk to the people. Tell them your reaction. What you think about the hill so far?
Penville Road. That's what I think about.
That's it?
Yeah.
Penville Road? She's referring to her hometown back in Dominica. Penville Road. They had a crazy, crazy hill in Penville. And my reaction so far is, this is it, boy. There's no games. For all y'all track stars and athletes out there, you want a good workout? This the hill. This definitely the hill. A lot of people driving up. They can't do that walking. That walking is not for everybody. We ain't all built the same. You gotta challenge yourself. So we made it up the hill. Now we're in the parking lot. We on top of the mountain right now. Yep. And there's the family. Everybody right here. Everybody's right here. My daughter in her stroller. My wife. This bird. My sister. And my cousin Ernell. And then over here, that's my mom. And my mom's friend. So we're gonna go on a journey right now. And down there is the lake. Yeah. We're on top of the lake right now. Oh, beauty. Beauty. Look at this. We're hiking the red trail right now. Going around the lake. See, there's the red sign. Yeah. We're going all around that lake I showed you earlier. Up another hill, and then we're gonna go down, and we're gonna be on the other side of the lake. How's the hiking like so far, folks? How's the hiking like? Huh? See, 10 out of 10 so far. It's going good. It's a little workout. Thank you guys, my cast family, for watching my videos. Continue to share my videos. Click that subscribe button. Like, share, comment. Share my videos with your friends. But it's good.
Naya, look.
I'm gonna give my daughter something to eat now. She's falling asleep. This is her nap time now. So we want her to go to sleep so she don't mess up her nap time. She's falling asleep right now. Everybody. 2020 hike to Minnewaska Park in Minnewaska State Park. And it's no joke. I haven't been hiking in a long time, and I'm telling you, it's beating my butt right now. It's giving me the business. I'm not in tip-top shape to be doing this, but gotta start somewhere, right? 2020, it's been a crazy year, I know my people, but we went far away from the city, 2 hours away for this hike. And as you can see, we're on the trail here all by ourselves, practicing social distance. Look at this. Look at this, everybody. And that's family, you know? Can't complain, man. It's going good so far. It's good to be outside, you know? Clarity for the mind, the soul, the body. I know Corona been beating our butt, you know. And, you know, my sympathies to the people that lost family members. And, you know, everybody have been affected by the coronavirus. But we're going to come back stronger than ever. You know, just if you're going to be outside today, take precautions. Because you don't want nobody else getting sick or infected. Protect your family by all costs. If that means you gotta stay locked up, you know, protect the elderly, the little kids. But this is hiking, I'm showing you. This is gonna be vlog number 1, hiking style. I'm thinking about doing a little twist to my channel. It's my first step. Water coming from somewhere. And it's going down to the lake. Yeah, now we're on the other side, in the bottom of the lake now. Yep. My supporters on the sun. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. And it's windy. The wind is nice. It's not too strong, but it's good. This is best kept secret up here. Minnewaska State Park. Oh man, look at that. The view is incredible. The view is incredible. So we just came from this side right here. And we walked all the way around and came here. And then now we're gonna walk from this side and go all the way back to where we started. So, on to the next part. This path, and this path right here, is Millbrook Mountain Foot. It's going down. The view. This is crazy. Wow. Incredible. This is a road over here. Down in the town, or wherever that is. Best spot on this trip. Look at this. All my nature lovers, look at this. look might be. It's my people. Oh, it has a name. It's the Love Bridge. The Love Bridge is here. The Love Bridge. Love Bridge. On our way to the waterfall right now. Last stop, the waterfall. I remember that infamous hill that we was going up earlier? Well, now we're going down. And currently on our way to the waterfall. Gonna show y'all guys. I heard it's beautiful. Stick with me. I don't know if you can hear it. It's roaring right now. It's right down this way. Oh man. It's a... This is not even the waterfall yet. This is a little mini. But let's get y'all a view. The grand finale is coming. It's coming soon. Look at that. Finale's here, my people. And this is the waterfall. Oh, you hear that roaring? There's people down there admiring the view. And this, my people, is what we've been waiting for. This is the waterfall. Grand finale. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Don't forget to love nature, my people. Don't forget to love nature. This is all so amazing. And I had a very wonderful time here. Minnewaska State Park, upstate New York. Newport. It is beautiful. And I must say, people, this has been everything that they said it was. It's beautiful. It's like no other. And this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video, and stay tuned for my next video.